Welcome to TechTime with AI, where we're here to help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or part of a growing team, this channel is designed for anyone looking to get the most out of business technology without spending hours learning complex systems. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by all the software options out there, you're definitely not alone. The truth is, there are hundreds of tools available, each claiming to be essential. But which ones are actually going to help you work more effectively? That's exactly what we're here to help you figure out. Each episode on TechTime with AI is only 10 minutes, making it easy to fit into your day while still learning the core strategies that make a difference. By subscribing to TechTime with AI, you'll get exclusive, straight, to the point insights on the best tools available today, along with proven strategies to help you streamline your work and boost productivity. Think of us as your personal guide through the crowded world of business technology, simplifying complex topics and pointing you to the tools that actually matter. And unlike other channels that get bogged down in technical details and endless tutorials, we focus on the bigger picture, the strategy. We'll show you how to use tools effectively to fit your unique business goals, saving you time and avoiding the pitfalls of unnecessary learning curves. So, if you're ready to make smarter tech choices, reduce complexity in your workday, and ultimately elevate your business to new heights, hit that subscribe button and join us at TechTime with AI. Let us guide you on the path to smarter, simpler business solutions, one tool at a time.